Hey everyone, I hope you are having a fantastic day today. This is part of the series of videos that I wanted to make for the DB2 stored procedure. If you haven't had a chance to watch my earlier video about the DB2 stored procedure and its various use cases, um, this you can go and take a look at it. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to create a DB2 store procedure, how to test it, and also execute it, right? So let's dive into the video, right? So for all those people who haven't watched my video earlier, a small introduction about what a DB2 store procedure is, and that's okay if you don't watch, if you haven't watched it, watch my other video about the DB2 store plug. It's perfectly fine. I'm going to give you whatever is required for you to have this video. I mean, whatever is required for you to grasp this video. In today's fast-paced world and data management, efficiency is very key, right? Meet IBM DB2 store procedures, a powerful tool designed to streamline database operations and enhance performance. In this video, we will explore what DB2 store procedures are, their benefits, and how they are used in real world scenarios. So, what exactly is DB2 store procedure? Right? Simply put, it's a small snippet of code with which may contain sequence and some procedures to it, which is placed on the DB2 server and also executed in the DB2 server. Think of it like a mini programs that reside and execute. Right? So let's dive right into see how to create a DB2 plug here. First, just to make sure the point has landed. A DB2 store procedure, in simple terms, it's a set of SQL statements and procedure logic that are stored on a DB2 server, can be executed as a single unit, right? Think of it as a reusable script that performs specific tasks within your database. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of creating stored procedures, let's talk about why you would want to use them. Stored procedures offer several benefits, including improved performance, enhanced security, and increased reusability. By executing operations directly on the server, you can reduce network traffic and latency, leading to faster response times for your applications. Wouldn't that be great? Yes, right. So, moving on. So, now let's walk through the process of creating a stored procedure. The first step is to define the procedure using a create procedure statement. So everybody, it's create procedure, right? So the the way the syntax is set up by IBM is that create procedure name, and within parentheses you provide the parameters, and you also mention if the parameter is going to be an input or an output by indicating in or out just before the variable of the parameter, right? And you also define what type of data type the parameter is going to be. So as as an example, let's create a store procedure which will calculate the shipping cost for an e-commerce application, right? So a sample code can be something like this. I've written the code on my notepad. I don't know how to share it, but I just read the code. It's just very simple. It says create procedure, calculate shipping cost is the name of the stored procedure. Create procedure are keywords. Following that is the calculate shipping cost, all in one word. It's the name of the store proc, and within parentheses we have, and we mentioned in order ID. So you're passing the order ID as input, and the order ID is going to be an integer value. So you'll mention within parenthesis in order ID, order underscore ID, and you will also mention the data type. It is int, integer. And after the create statement, you have a begin and an end statement. So anything between the begin and the end statements are the executable statements for this store procedure. Okay. In this example, we are creating a procedure called calculate shipping cost. As I told, it takes the order ID as input and it calculates the shipping cost for that order. Okay. And as you as you can as you can imagine, this store proc is going to be called every time when an order is created and when a shipping cost is to be calculated. Instead of the calculation being happening on the application side, now we are trying to make it happen on the DB2 server side. Once you have created your store procedure, it's important to test it to ensure the functions are expected. I mean, it works as expected, right? You can do this by using a call statement. It's very easy to call a DB2 store procedure. All you got to do is to write call and your store procedure name inside your application code. So, and once you pass call calculate shipping cost within parentheses, you can send the order ID, and this order ID is going to be the input to the DB2 store proc for it to calculate the associated shipping costs based on the logic that we have built inside the store procedure, right? So the way we do it is call the store procedure name, in parentheses you're going to send the order ID value here, and that's how you call it. And based on this, you can see the output of this, and you can test after a store procedure is defined. It stores. I mean, you can go and verify it in the IBM catalog tables. If you go and query your catalog table called IBM sysibm.sys routines for your based on your store procedure name, it's going to bring up the store procedure definition entry in the catalog table. It's also going to give you other details such as the input and output parameters associated with it. So by doing this, by querying the catalog tables, you know that this store procedure has been defined and is ready to go, right? And you can call the store procedure in multiple ways. We generally use the IBM Data Studio to call a DB2 procedure. You can also call it using the mainframe ISPF menu by going into the IBM DB2 utilities command prompt. You can hide the call statement. It's going to execute it, right? So I mean, that's basically how you can test and also execute this code as part of your application code. So in conclusion, right, IBM DB2 store procedures are a powerful tool for streamlining your database operations and improving performance. By creating, testing, and executing store procedures, you can enhance security, increase reusability, and maintenance and simplify maintenance tasks within your database environment. If you have more questions, more insights on DB2 store procedures, please follow my video. I'm going to make multiple videos on this. See you until next time.